Did you know every digital device you use leaves a trail that can solve crimes? Welcome to the fascinating world of digital forensics. Let's uncover the truth. Hi, this is A2DGC, and today we're diving into the world of digital forensics, where technology meets crime solving. Digital forensics is the practice of recovering, analyzing, and presenting digital evidence from devices like computers, phones, and even the cloud. Imagine a hacker stealing millions from a bank or a criminal trying to cover their tracks by wiping their phone. How does the backbone of modern investigations? In today's world, almost everything leaves a digital trail: texts, emails, location data, even deleted files. But why does it matter? Take the case of the WannaCry ransomware attack in 2017. It infected over 200,000 computers worldwide, crippling hospitals, businesses, and government systems. Digital forensics helped trace the attack back to its source, identify vulnerabilities, and create solutions to prevent future threats, or consider how digital forensics helps in criminal investigations. For example, uncovering crucial evidence from a suspect's phone or computer can make or break a case. A simple GPS log can reveal someone's whereabouts during a crime. It's not just about solving crimes. Digital forensics plays a massive role in protecting businesses from data breaches, identifying fraud, and ensuring justice in courtrooms. The process of digital forensics is a structured process designed to recover, analyze, and preserve evidence in a way that maintains its integrity. Let's break it down into 3 key stages. First, we start with identification. This step involves locating potential sources of digital evidence. It could be anything from a smartphone, computer, USB drive, or even cloud storage. Investigators look for devices that may contain information relevant to the case. Next is preservation. This is one of the most critical steps. Investigators ensure that the data remains intact and is not tampered with. They use specialized tools to create a forensic image, a bit-by-bit copy of the original data. Now comes the core stage, analysis. Here, investigators dig into the collected data to find patterns, recover deleted files, analyze logs, and extract useful information. This is where hidden clues, like timestamps or IP addresses, can unlock the mystery, and that's the digital forensics process, from identifying the evidence to presenting it in court. Each stage is designed to ensure the evidence is handled ethically and accurately. Up next, we'll explore the tools and techniques that make all of this possible, so stick around. To uncover the truth hidden in digital devices, forensic experts rely on specialized tools and techniques. Let's explore some of the most popular ones used in the field. First up is EnCase, a widely used digital forensics tool. It's perfect for acquiring, analyzing, and presenting evidence in a court-admissible format. Law enforcement agencies and corporate investigators love it for its versatility. FTK is another powerhouse. It excels in processing large volumes of data quickly, which is essential in modern investigations. Plus, it has advanced capabilities like keyword searches and recovering deleted files for those looking for an open-source option. There's Autopsy. It's free, yet it provides a comprehensive platform for analyzing hard drives, recovering files, and generating reports. When it comes to network forensics, Wireshark is the go-to tool.